Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Not that cool of a logo, but it might teach you a few tools or so. And there's several ways you could do it. I'm going to start with a rectangle or a box, square, and hit P, but I'm going to make it equal, so I'm going to make it 12 inches. And then I'm going to take an ellipse and make it half that distance of 6. And I'm going to hit P. And then I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to hit R to put them to the right. Now I need a couple of 2-point lines. I'm gonna hold down the control button and hit P, control D and make a duplicate of that line and hit 90 degrees. Now this is still a rectangle. So with my ratio unlocked right here, I'm gonna type in 6, which is more than I need, but it will not go too past it. So there's what you need. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take away that line and that line. This is gonna stay. This can stay, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge it over. And I'm going to nudge that over. Now, because that way I can get rid of all this. As most of you know, I don't delete anything. I just nudge it over. Now I'm going to take this smaller part and get the Interactive Fill tool. And I'm going to put a little darkness up here. And let's go with black up into that corner. And then I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to go down. I'm going to make it, you could use any color, but I'm going to make it darker, maybe a little bit darker, personal preference. Control G to group it. Now I can move it because I can't rotate it from the center. I'm going to rotate it from right there. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it on that node. Now I could go either direction, but I need to go from this point, so I'm going to go a -90. And then I'm going to Control D, Control D. It's pretty cool. It's not all that. You could do several things with it. You could put lines in it, make it a little bit different. But that might give you an idea or two. And it really stands out when you put a black box around it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.